So Godfrey from Home Developments approached us to work together on this project. Home Developments, we're aware of, is a company delivering quality apartments, and this was an opportunity to get involved on some luxury residential homes, which is our specialty. The sites have got an opportunity for a beautiful northeastern outlook and aspect, so we've tried to capture that as best we can. We've opened up the houses to these rear yards, and the rear yards are going to capture the breeze, the sun, the views. So the houses are very different. They have a different character, and we think that's important in the landscape of Hamilton. They're truly modern houses, but they sit very sympathetically within the Hamilton area. I really love that we got the opportunity to create cross ventilation in all these homes. I think particularly in Franklin, the void, the interaction between the upstairs and downstairs is going to be a really nice feature. And the really high ceiling in Abigale in the main living room with fireplace, it's going to have such a classic feel to it. It's just going to be a beautiful space. Looking forward to seeing these homes completed, and I think the future residents of these homes are going to absolutely love the way that they respond to the site. I think they're going to love the flow of the home. They're going to be really easy to live in homes, and that's something we really focus on. And yes, there's going to be some beautiful features, there's going to be some fantastic finishes and amazing kitchens and bathrooms, but I think just living in the home and the ease of living in them and how it promotes great family life.